Should we do a mukbang? Mukbang?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yay! Mukbang time. This bitch just so funny. She's changing right here. Fanny's changing. When she took her shirt off, she flushed. Fanny like, shut up, being so loud. We're gonna do this. The ghetto-ness. Wow. Gra-da-da-da. Go. You wanna harmonize? Let's try. I'll do Wait, do I do lower or higher? Like, am I a lower pitched? Look at my fucking eyes. Is it good? Wait, we're not even in the fucking ghetto.
In the ghetto.
Wait, I'll go lower. Ready? Go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Go. Can't do it. Go. I can't look at you. Guys, there's a big ass mirror in front of us. Like, and I'm trying to look at myself, but I just see her. What are you doing? You might hear me laugh. Are you not gonna say anything?
Cheers, motherfucker.
Fuck. I feel like Scabby should be eating with us. This is gonna be a family channel, bitches. Hold on. Scabby, you wanna eat? We're eating Mexican tonight. It's cause look, my dog's food is literally, his tray is literally right here. We eat like a family around here. His tray is right. I don't know why that's so dirty. We're disgusting. Scapi, ven a comer. What should I give him? Mole? What if he starts shorting? Scapi, do you want mole? Okay, let's see which one he chooses. Wait, put it in the video. Flip it. Fucking bitch, I'll do it. Scapi, ¿cuál quieres? Mira, ese es un pambazo. Ese es un hojaldra. ¿Cuál te gusta más? ¿Huele este? Wait, which one do you choose? Don't lick it. None? Does that mean none? Scapi? Like I said, this is a pambazo. Don't lick it, boy. Just choose one. I think he chooses the pambazo, right? But I don't know if it's spicy. Is it spicy? But it has
Give
dairy.
him the papa.
It has dairy though. Oh shit, there's barely any papa on this one. Let's see if he eats that. ¿Qué dice el público? He likes it. Okay. So pambazo. Show them. This is a mukbang. You have to show them. A pambazo has what in it, sis? What does it have?
Potatoes. Chorizo.
Chile.
Not that much chile.
Talking about the red part. Are you giving some of yours?
No. Mine has puro crema. Look at my shit.
I'm making some mole, bro. I don't have that much papa left. We are eating around here. Look at her eyes. Oh look. Wait, we need a thumbtack. Thumbprint? What's finger top? What's it called? A thumbprint. Thumbnail. What did I just say? A finger thumb. What did I say? Cheers. Amen.
Hallelujah.
Stop, that's not funny. I'm too big, Mom. Guys, it's because she's short. Like, look, sit up straight. Ew, we have hunchbacks, bro. Or what I thought was kind of like... Bitch, you're the one talking. Bro, this my man thirsty. Did we not?
Fucking
We can repeat it, bebé. You look so ugly. Is this what I really look like?
I got papa in my throat.
Mm-hmm. Bro, this just flew out of my mouth.
Look at me.
Oh, fuck,
Bro, I cannot with you. Stop.
I swear by this. Oh, get my copy. Sorry. Bitch, are you okay? At least turn around, funny.
I think for real, stop.
I really have to pee, but I'm scared, guys. In Mexico, I mean, like a couple minutes ago, we were their friends. Shut the fuck up, dude. Are you okay? Keep doing fucking drugs, bitch.
It's not that. It's because I keep eating and coughing. It's kind of no drugs.
You can't multitask. Hasta para atrás, shit. I'm scared it's gonna bite me. Hasta para atrás.
Stop, Ali.
Bro, I'm not even trying to be funny. I don't know what you want me to. Shit. So you just gonna leave me like this? Like, Gabby, come eat this.
My fingers smell like weed. I
Oh,
kind
shit.
of want. I'm too lazy to take my makeup off.
I tengo como el chile atorado, right?
Maybe if we eat some bread. What do you call that if bread is like this?
You're fucking yelling. What? They're both wheat. Oh, nasty. Ew.
Oh, bitch. What? Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. I need this money, this knee, that knee. Both the knees. Yeah, we feel
Oh my god, my dog's hungry.
You don't like mole? I'm about to go lay down.
Wait.
That's fucking nasty.
What do you want? That's fucking nasty.
That's fucking nasty.
So why is it different? If you were gonna put the same thing inside your mouth, why is it different now that it's on the floor?
And because it was like all smushy in my knee.
Why'd your answer so ghetto? Oh, because
the enemy comes out. Could he? What the fuck?
Where's my sister and what'd you do with her?
I'm right here. Okay, let me come back. In the morning?
We're not gonna wake up. It's already the morning, bitch. What time is it?
I'm gonna eat that shit. That looks gonna be good.
You know what? That would have been perfect the day after tomorrow. Bro, tomorrow we're gonna go to a lit ass motherfucking baile. Guess who's gonna be there? If you guess legítimo, did you say you? Bitch. What? I was talking about like, guess who's gonna be there, like grupo wise. What? You're scaring me.
He's breathing weird, isn't he?
It was me. Is that how you really was?
We never know because I have too many fucking laughs.
Ew, dude, look at how fucking nasty this is. I'm just watching you, just like,
You never let me drink in peace.
I can even roll in peace. Everybody notice me. What the fuck is wrong with your laugh, bro?
I have many.
What?
I have many laughs. Stop making me laugh.
Hold on, I'm sorry.
Dude, I want Starbucks.
I think he wants to be in the video. Creo que quiero tu pambazo.
Give it to him.
Well, open it up. Open that hoe up.
It has a lot of crema though, I'm telling you.
He'll like it, but he might get. Wait, do dogs get churro from like milk products? But don't they drink milk from their parents? Make that make sense, please. Are they lactose intolerant?
It's just so red.
Okay. Should I just give it to him then?
Yeah.
What if? Okay. He's a grown man. He's already 13 years old. He can survive anything.
I wish.
Oh fuck! I almost choked. Did you feel that? Wait. Where's my? Give me a napkin. This is disgusting.
Put in there.
Ooh. Ew.
Ew.
I was choking. You saved me. I'm a girl in Chicago, and you saved me. Where is that from?
The toys.
How does it go though? I'm just a girl.
I'm just a girl all alone in the world.
No, but what does she say? Like, I'm a girl.
I was thinking of the Alicia Keys song.
Which one?
That comes right back and bites me. Oh, that's Mariah Carey?
That's Ariana Grande.
Oh.
Bro, I fucking love Ariana Grande.
Bye, bitch.
What do you mean?
She's a bad bitch.
I thought you said bye, bitch. They would leave me.
I don't know, but I'm done.
Why?
What do you mean, why? It's like fucking 6 in the morning, shawty. Or shorty. Or you can call me whatever you like.
Okay guys, well, we didn't make an outro to that video, so this is gonna be our outro. She looks good. I look like shit. But thank you for watching. Please Please like and subscribe. Again, I'm Alejandra. This is Stephanie. We're the Vega sisters.
And you're watching Disney Channel. Bye, bitches.
Bye, bitch.